Okay, I'm going to continue the remaining question from this chapter. Okay, now I'm going to write the next question from question number 56. Question number 56. Current gained 86. Which is the largest current in PNP transistor? Which is the largest current in a PNP transistor? PNP transistor. Okay, we have given different types of current like base current IB. Okay, in option number first, base current IB. Option number B, collector current IC. Option number C, emitter current IE. Option number C, emitter current IE, and option number D, none. Okay, we have one kind of transistor and it contains three parts like this: our emitter, this is our collector, and this is our base. Okay, and the current flowing through this base is known as IB, and the current flowing through this emitter is known as IE, and the current flowing through this collector is known as IC. Okay, which is the largest current in PNP types of transistor? Which types of transistor? PNP. Okay, please guys focus on the given question or given concept. This question asks us about the which types of transistor. Focus on them. Okay, this is our important point. Okay, this is our important point where we focus in exam. Okay, if we do hurry in exam, like hurry means very fast and unknowingly, and we do not clearly read and write the question more than 2 times. Okay, then we confuse the given concept and definitely finally we get the wrong answer, and and at last our score is decreased and we fail in our exam. Okay, before you take the correct answer, please one time look at the given question. Which is the largest current among these 4? Okay, this is our not option. I think all you know, there is no any option like this, none of above. Okay, this is only given for our facilitate the given option. Okay, its right answer is option number A, base current. Okay, option number A, our base current. Okay, option number A is our base current. base current is the largest current in PNP transistor, not NP. Okay, NPN transistor. In PNP transistor, base current is IB is greater than IE and IC. Okay, so its right answer is option number B. And next question, the current of PNP transistor are, question number 87. 87 number question is the current of a PNP transistor. The current of a PNP transistor are, the current of a PNP transistor are, number first option, usually smaller than NPN circuit, usually smaller than NPN current. Option number B, opposite NPN current, opposite NPN current. And next, option number C, usually larger than the UPN current, usually larger than NPN current. And the last option is option number D. Option number D is negative. Yes, the current of a PNP transistor are, okay, we have given one kinds of like this PNP transistor. Okay, we have given one PNP types of transistor, okay. This PNP transistor has a current, and this current is usually smaller or maybe greater or maybe opposite or maybe negative. Okay, we have given 4 options. We can choose ourselves the answer before I tell. I think you are also, okay, choose yourself. Okay, I think you are also the best student, you are also the best practice and yourself find out the given answer. Okay, and its right option is option number D, negative. Okay, the current of a PNP transistor are usually negative. In PNP transistor, the current are usually negative current. Okay, current is negative in which types? PNP transistor. Okay, yes, I have a next question. With PNP voltage divider base, question number 88. With PNP voltage, divider, bias, you must use negative power supply. Option first, negative power supply. Okay, we have given one PNP voltage divider bias. Okay, and in this PNP voltage divider bias, the current is negative power supply. Okay, the negative power supply is need or the positive power supply. Positive power, positive power supply. Okay, positive power supply, and the option number D is resistor. And the last option is option number D is ground. Okay, grounds. Okay, grounds. Its right answer is option number B, positive power supply. With the PNP voltage divider, bias. Okay, with the PNP voltage divider bias, you must use which in PNP voltage divider bias we use the positive power supply. Okay, we have these different kinds of 3 questions related from electronics. I think which question recently I discussed in the given session is too important. I think it's a very easy concept, and I think you mustly prepare if you don't know about any concept of these electronic topics. Okay, and watch the video and write the question and only write the correct option. Okay, I give a different option here for easy and calculate for examine yourself. Okay, it is not necessary to write these all options for the given question. Okay, you can write the question first, and after write the correct answer, right? It is not necessary to write these all the diagram like these all the option for a given question, right? Okay, I am going to write the next question for Robin. The first this question I think of you already copy from this whiteboard. I am going to write the next question for improve the concept from this electronic chapter. I think this is too difficult for giving the extra knowledge to discuss the given question. Okay, and this is too much difficult for myself. Okay, from this electronic concept, but the remaining chapter like that, our mechanics, electrostatics, optics, this is too easy for giving like that extra concept, theory and diagram and everything numerical related to the given which I tells recently, like that optics, mechanics, electrostatics. Okay, classical, quantum. I think this only electronic is a very difficult for the concept to gain, like this emitter current, base current, and like this extra activities, extra practical also from this chapter, because we only learn about our theoretical concept. Okay, no any practical in our daily life. That's why we feel difficult. I think you are the best for learning this chapter. Okay, for discuss any concept about this chapter. Okay, we have given next question. This question are totally different like that previous our question number 89. Okay, question number 89. In question number 89, a JEF okay, or JEFET Z or JFET, option first. Okay, or JFET is what is JFET? We don't know. We didn't know about till now. Okay, now I'm going to introduce this JFET term. Okay, this is our question. This question gives us the idea about the answer. What is exactly about this JFET? We didn't know about till now. Okay, now I'm going to find out this JF. What is exactly this JFET? Okay, JF or JFET is a voltage controller device. Voltage controlled device. Voltage control device is a current control device. Option B is a current controlled device. Option C has a low input resistance. Has a low input resistance. And option number D is has a very high, has a very large voltage gain. Has a very large voltage gain. Okay, yes, a JFET is a voltage control device. A device which controls the voltage is called JFET. Okay, JFET is a voltage control device. Similarly, we have this kind of question, yes, related to electronics. Okay, next question is the input impedance of a JFET. Question number 19. Question number 90. The input impedance. Okay, I hope you know about this. You are familiar about this. The concept about our impedance. The input impedance. Okay, in this my video, please do not fear, do not scared. Okay, scared means do not threaten for this question, for visualize this. These are too difficult. There is no any extra hint, there is no any extra clues, there is no extra knowledge. Then how can we find out? Okay, and generally in this video, in this session, I'm trying to give the question and right option. Okay, and I'm going to make one format, on very easy format, on a very easy concept, theoretical concept, numerical concept, and a mnemonic concept for solving the different kinds of question related to different chapter. Like in our electronics chapter, if I make a theoretical concept about this electronics chapter, first of all I will present the different kinds of theoretical concept. Then after I take one exam, like that different kinds of question write on the whiteboard, and I will present for you. And first I give for several minutes to choose the correct answer. If you may submit the correct answer on my comment box, it's okay. If you don't gives any comment, any like, any subscribe, it's okay. It is good for me. Okay, it is not this, all these video are not for like your beneficial like me. Okay, I'm only try to best. I will improve day to day with a different kinds of question, with a different kinds of theoretical concept. Okay, I'm definitely enter into every chapter. This is not like this time pass class, time pass video. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, I'm sorry for a little consume your time. This is the worthless speech. Okay, for this worthless speech I'm extremely sorry. Last once again. Okay, the input impedance, 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 impedance of a GFET. What do you mean by GFT? If you don't know, don't worry. Okay, only look at this question answer. Okay, what do you mean by GFT? GFT is a one kind of device. Okay, what do you mean by GFT? GFT is a one kind of device. Okay, it is divide is it this device control the voltage passes through the given circuit. That's it, finish. The input impedance of a GFT, the input impedance of the GFT, number first option is approaches 0, approaches 0, approaches 0, approaches to 0. Okay, approaches 1, option B, approaches 1. Okay, and option C, next option, option C, approaches infinite. Okay, approaches infinite, approaches infinite or infinity or infinity. Okay, approaches to infinity, or it's impossible to predict. And the last option is option number D, is impossible. Okay, it's impossible to predict. Okay, yes, its right option is option number D. Okay, the input impedance of a GFT is impossible to predict, right? Okay, now I'm going to write the next question, question number 91. 91 question is, a unipolar transistor used, a unipolar transistor, a unipolar transistor, a unipolar transistor, a unipolar transistor used. For which purpose unipolar transistor is used? Both free electron and holes, only free electron, only holes, either one or the other, but not both. Yes, a unipolar transistor is used either, yeah, either free electron or holes, but not for both. Okay, not mention any other option because there is two confusing types of option. So this right answer is either free electron or holes, but not for both. Okay, unipolar transistor is used mainly for either electrons or for either holes. Okay, not for holes and electron. Hope you try to understand. I think, hope you understand, not to try to understand. Okay, I think you are smart, you are a good student, you are a good man. And right, next question, question number 92. Okay, question number 92. Question number 92 is the gate controls. Okay, for which purpose we use the gate? Question number 92. The gate control. The gate controls. The gate controls width of the channel. Option first, width, width of the channel, width of the channel. Option B, the drain current, the drain current. I think maximum of the students are confused with the term or terminology of a drain current. Okay, in coming video I will explain the drain current. What do you mean by drain current? Okay, and the drain current. And next is the gate voltage. Option C, the gate voltage. And the option D, is all of the above. Okay, I'm not mention this question, and this option number D is on the bottom of this question. That's why I'm not right here all of the above. Okay, and which is the correct option of the given question. Okay, try to solve yourself. The gate control is the width of the channel, the drain current, or the gate voltage, or all. Okay, its right answer is the drain current. The gate control our drain current. Okay, yes, similar. Next question. Compared to bipolar transistor, the JFT has a much higher controller to a bipolar. We have a given one question for compare between bipolar transistor and the JFT. Okay, first of all, before choose any option, we should minimum read twice time the given question. Then we definitely reach the right option. Okay, if you ignore, if you hurry on the given question for read, then definitely 50% answer will be wrong. If you read seriously the given question, then answer is also hidden on the given question. Okay, so please, before choose your option, read the question at first. Okay, yes, the compared to a bipolar transistor, compared to a bipolar transistor, compared to a bipolar transistor, the JFET, the JFET has much higher option first voltage gain, option B input resistance, option C supply voltage, option D current. Look at here. Okay, we have given two device, one of the bipolar transistor, and next one is JFE transistor. This is between these two, this JFT has a much higher, which one is much higher? Voltage gain, input resistance, supply voltage, current. Its right option is input resistance. Input resistance is very high on this JFET. Input resistance is too much higher in JFET as compared to our bipolar transistor. There are different kinds of transistors: JFET transistor, unipolar transistor, bipolar transistor. If we compare this bipolar transistor and JFET transistor, in this JFET transistor, input resistance is too much high. Okay, and I think now you clear. Okay, if you don't understand, try to understand. This is my dialogue. Okay, if you don't understand, what you understand? If you don't understand, try to understand. What you understand, try yourself. Okay, question number 94. The pinch of voltage. The pinch of voltage. Okay, here is double F. Okay, pinch of voltage. It is name one kind of voltage. Okay, pinch of voltage we have given here on pinch of voltage. Okay, voltage has pinch of voltage has the same magnitude has the same magnitude has the same magnitude as the we have given one kind of voltage, pinch of voltage. Okay, it is mainly related to our Zener diode. Okay, breakdown voltage, pinch of voltage. Okay, Zener voltage, like that we have given one kinds of pinch of voltage, and this pinch of voltage has a some magnitude. Okay, this magnitude is same as the which of the given option has the same magnitude as that of our pinch of voltage. We have to ask this question. Okay, yes, first gate voltage, option B drain voltage, option C gate source voltage, gate source voltage, and last option D is gate source cutoff voltage, gate source cutoff voltage, gate source cut off voltage, and its answer right option is option number C, gate source voltage. And today our next question from electronics is question number 95. Yes, when the drain saturation current drain saturation current when the drain saturation current is less than IDS, yes, IDSS or JFET act like a bipolar transistor, bipolar transistor, option B current source, option C resistor, and option D is battery. Okay, if the drain saturation current is less than IDSS, and I hope maximum of the viewer or the student are confused on this term IDSS. What is mean by IDSS? I think it is one kind of current, okay, which follow into the DSS types of transistor, okay, and if this if this current is less in the drain saturation current, when the drain saturation current is less than, when means if the drain saturation current is less than IDSS means it is one kind of current flow through the JFET. Okay, then the JFET light as a battery. Its right option is option number D, battery. And next, this question. Okay, today I'm only present this 4 question. Okay, because I'm confused here the concept about IDSS. If I confuse here IDSS, then I think I should be stopped for the remaining question for discussing in this video. Okay, because if I write the question and the option, then you also confusing of the given option. Okay, if we clear the concept about IDSS, then we feel too easy, okay, to choose the correct answer. Okay, thank you for watching us.